Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can make camera active in Blender. So I will add a new camera. Okay, so we can have two cameras. Okay, and if you want to make a camera, I'll say camera first camera. If you want to make a camera active, just go to view, and then you should go to cameras, and then here select set active object as camera, and you can also press 0 or control numpad 0, or just press here, click on here, set active object at camera, or you can select the other camera and press control plus 0. You can make this camera active. Okay, control, select control, or you can go here and camera and set active camera as camera, set active object as camera. Okay, so you can also go in active camera, select the other camera and go cameras and active camera. Okay, or the other one. You can also use the shortcut. That's what I do. It's 0, numpad 0. Okay, the other camera 0 works. And yeah, I hope this video helped you guys, and if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials, and I'll see you now guys in the next video. Take care.